Welcome to this brief introduction to the interface of the Kennedy Library's online archive. Here you can find digitized versions of the items held by the Special Collections and Archives Department of the library. Many of the collections and special collections and archives have at least some representation in this archive. Let's start with a typical Google search and find our way to an item in the online archive. If we search Julia Morgan, PPIE, and select the fifth result, we'll find a link that takes us to an item on the online archive. This is likely how you will first encounter the online archive, either through a link or through a search result. Now that we've arrived here, let's review some of the features of the archive. From the top, we have the advanced search, the home page for special collections and archives, the list of inventories available for special collections, and a bookmark page where you can keep track of the items you viewed in the archive. These are all helpful links that will be explored in a future screencast. Next, we have a breadcrumb trail that allows you to navigate to the different parts of the archive that are related to the items you are viewing. In this case, you can go to the page where you can see all the items digitized from the Sarah Holmes Butel papers, or even the page where you can see all collections within the online archive. From the breadcrumb trail, we now start seeing the item itself. There's the title, a search bar, the item itself, a description about the item, a file from the item that you can download, and then the bookmarks feature where you can mark the item for later reference. That about covers how to navigate an item page. There are some different kinds of items, but in general they will look similar to this example. Now let's take a quick look at what searching looks like, and then the general tour will be complete. If we scroll back to the search bar and enter in San Francisco, we will be taken to a search results page. The main things to point out here are the page navigator, which allows you to browse the search results. There are 20 results for each page. The sorting options that can help you organize your search results. And the filtering options that allow you to narrow your search based on certain facets. One final thing to point out is that you can export your search results to a spreadsheet using this link. This concludes the brief intro to the online archive interface. As we navigate back to the online archive's homepage, we hope you'll consider exploring the online archive through any of the links found there or by searching. Thank you.